We don't typically think of Thanksgiving as being a gift-giving event, but my mother-in-law gave me their old computer to scrub out. She asked if I wanted it, and I said absolutely. And after I'm done with that one, I will hit an old PC that we have that has just been sitting around waiting to be scrapped out. So let's tear into these things. Let's find some aluminum and some copper. I've seen the insides of a computer many times, so I have a real good idea of what I'm going to find when I open this up. I think there's probably only going to be three things that I'm really going to be interested in. The motherboard, I'll have that for that ongoing PCB mining that I'm doing, and there'll be a power supply, which will have an additional PC board, and then plus lots of copper in the components of that, with the transformer that's in there. And then of course there'll also be the hard drive, and with that hard drive there'll be the aluminum casing. And so those are the three things that I'm looking for. I'm not sure I'm going to mess around with the CD drive or any of that other sort of stuff. I was tearing into some of that when I broke down that server, and it's just a lot of work for very little in return. So let's dive into this thing. Grab this. All right, there's the PC board I'm going to be looking for. There's the power supply that I want, and there's the hard drive that I want. And as you can see, the only other thing is the CD drive, and I don't think I'm going to want that at all. But on this PC board, got some aluminum there, and then the central processor will be there. Plus there's some RAM. Ooh, looks like there's aluminum on that. That's going to go a long way to helping out my PC board mining. In fact, I may make that a point to be the next thing I chop up. All right, let's get into tearing this thing out. I think the trick to this is to do this and get it done before my hands get too cold. It is a very chilly day here in North Idaho. We're expecting lots of wind and another cold front. I think there's supposed to be 1 to 2 inches of snow coming. Not enough to cancel school by any stretch, just enough to be an early, uncomfortable winter day, even though winter hasn't really started yet. Very quick and easy. Oh yeah. That's going to be a lot of PC board metal. Very good. Very good. That's a thick PC board. I don't know how well that's going to chop up in my crusher. There's a aluminum heatsink there. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's not what I was looking for. Not nearly as heavy as a lot of power supplies that I've used in the past, or tore apart in the past. Let's see what she's got. Looks like I broke the seal there. I may have voided a warranty somewhere. And that's not where that was. What's this front panel? All right, and that's what I was looking to find, although I was hoping for a lot more copper. Right, there's the transformers, a couple of coils, a couple of aluminum heat sinks. This is an older one. We don't have surface mount components, and then two big honking capacitors to make that a nice smooth DC voltage. And probably lots of tin in the solder stuff here on the back. And that's a more normal looking PC board. Yeah, it's gonna break up nice. And there's the hard drive. 200 gigabytes, not much. Not much at all. Another PC board there. All right. Imagine the wires aren't there. It's gonna be a good enough in shot. Let's see if I can get in closer. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thanks a whole bunch for watching this video. If you liked what you saw, if it was halfway entertaining, please like and subscribe. And I certainly wouldn't mind if you pass the link along to a bunch of other people. Thank you a whole bunch for watching, and blessings, everyone.